Hi! Today we will show you the amazing process of building a giant ship. Watch it until end, subscribe to our channel and leave your like and comment. The construction process starts with the cutting of steel sheets and profiles. Sheets are laser cut into predetermined formats. Sheets and profiles are fitted and welded, forming a block. The finished blocks are then taken to the shipyard. Correct positioning of the first block is essential to initialize the assembly. Here we see a plate with the beams already welded. The steel plates are about 12 meters high by 3 meters wide. Its minimum thickness is 6 millimeters and maximum up to 40 millimeters. The next step is the transportation and installation of engines. The profiles are steel beams that are welded to the sheets to give strength. With each block completed, construction becomes like a building game. Once fitted, the blocks are welded inside and out. Cranes carry the sheets that need to be welded on the inside. The blocks are built in sequence following the ship's blueprint. During assembly, the blocks are lifted and aligned with cranes. It's a dedicated job because the adjustment needs to be millimetric. The whole operation is repeated for each installed block. The engine room is usually at the back of the ship. Thus, the shaft connecting the motor to the propeller is smaller, preventing vibrations. The ship's propulsion can be done by the diesel or sailing engine. The walls of the blocks have spaces for the passage of wires and pipes. This ship was built with a total of 38 blocks. "29 of blocks correspond to accommodation. The ship is 115 meters long and 22 meters high. Its final weight is around 3,500 tons. The electric part of the ship runs on diesel power generators. Now, the equipment are being loaded, which include generator sets and air conditioners. In all, more than 200 tons of solder were used. Finally, the ship is coated with an anti-corrosion paint. Here, we can see its baptism and casting into the sea. Thank you for watching the video.